Today seems like the perfect day to ride mountain bikes. As you can see, clear skies. We're in some neighborhood right now. And it's a perfect weather, perfect day for riding. So you guys should get out here and ride too. And you can hear this guy over here. I would like to welcome a new member to, there's so many flies around. I would like to welcome a new member to the channel, my cousin Jack.
Am I doing it right? Wait.
I don't know what is going on here, but this is his warm-up, I guess. So, Jack, say hello.
What's up?
So we're gonna be riding, Hidden Meadow over there, that you guys can see. And of course, I got my GoPro, so you guys are gonna get some awesome POVs. And we're gonna just do a normal ride, and we'll put some commentary along the way as we go. So we're gonna switch you over to the GoPro right now. All right, we're on the GoPro now.
Let's do this.
All right, we're gonna start off with Hidden Meadow. It starts out with a climb, so we're gonna try to get the climbing done pretty quickly for you guys. We got some downhill, kind of. More or less flat ground downhill. Nice little steep downhill section. Or techie. Little drop right there. The dirt is like, or just the setting back here. It's so nice. Oh, what's up?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Cool that you're out here. This is one of my favorite trails, I was just saying.
Yeah, since Alright, okay. We need more subscribers. Yeah, if you guys haven't watched that, go watch it. Here we are at the top. Or, not the top. The top's over there. But we're here at the end of Hidden Meadow, and we're now coming down a little fly road, which can get a little bumpy at times. So it might get a little shaky, especially right here, because it's gonna get a little rocky. You want to take this inside-ish line as I proceed to go. Oh, gotta hop over that. Whoa! Now it's just some boring climbing, so we'll cut to when we get up to the junction. So we're a few minutes in. Actually, we're more than a few minutes in.
Yeah.
And we're in this random area. We're exploring. Now we're gonna go that way and see what we find. I think there's a downhill trail over there. There's also a downhill trail that way. So we might do this trail and come back around and go that way. But we'll see. I'll put you back on the GoPro and let's keep having some fun. Alright, I just stopped recording for a second. I don't want the video to be too long. Back down this we go. This is gonna be fun. Cool little rock you got. Tough point. That hurt! Alright everybody, Jack's coming up behind me. We have made it to our highest point. Pretty nice views. And no, we did not go down that. But we're about to go down a trail called Lang Ranch, which I know this guy will like. Really fun downhill trail. So let's get you guys back on the GoPro and let's go have some fun. Alright everybody, Jack's gonna be behind me. We are going on to Lang Ranch. Really fun downhill trail. Alright, we are now on the Lang Ranch Trail. I'm good.
Yeah. Really, man? Ruined my flow.
I know I did. Let's head to the bottom so I can fix this. We're still riding, that's all that matters. We're still having fun, and that's all that matters. Alright, we are done with Lang Ranch. As you guys saw, I crashed horrifically. Actually, no, it wasn't that bad. Oh wait, Jack, come over here. You got it? Alright, let's go. So you guys saw I crashed, but I'm good. There's sapwi over there. So what you just saw, we went down Lang Ranch. There's Jack behind us over there. We went down Lang Ranch, then we went over to Sapwi, got a couple runs there, which was a lot of fun. My first time ever hitting Sapwi on these bikes, or on a mountain bike, which was a lot of fun. Now, we got a bunch of road riding till the end. So I'll get a few clips of the road riding here and there. It's probably gonna be a little boring though. And this guy has got a big climb ahead of him, so we'll see if he can do it. It's this climb coming up. So we'll put you guys back on the GoPro and let's go have some fun. I just realized I forgot to do an outro to the video, which is my bad. But anyways, after that last clip you just saw, Jack went back to his house, and then I obviously came back to my house, and we ended the ride. So that was a really fun day with Jack. Met my old, well, you saw one of my old coaches, or he still coaches me. And then we saw a few friends at Sapple, which is cool. So I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And we'll see you all in the next video.